Looking for easy and effective method of sharpening? Then you are on the right place. Welcome to first tutorial of quick tricks by Editing Zone. Let's begin. Right straight to the photo, press Ctrl plus J or Command plus J to make a copy. Then press Shift plus Ctrl plus U for desaturating the photo. Next go to Filter, Other, High Pass and increase the value and stop at the moment where you can see the details in screen. Not too much, otherwise there will be some halos in the image that we don't want, but we are reducing the value, and in this case I think it's okay. We can see the details in here and hit OK. Then change the blend mode to overlay. Now our effect is applied. I zoom in the image so you can see the difference more clear. Here is the before and here is the after. Now if you want more sharpening, simple, copy it. Here I want to make a eyes even more sharper. So making a copy by clicking Ctrl plus J and making a negative mask by clicking Alt plus mask button. So here I created a negative mask. Then click the brush tool. Make sure the flow value is around 10 and zoom in and start painting over our eyes. Here is the before and here is the after, and we are done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Stay tuned and keep editing.